All parties Hurriyat Conference has said that a durable solution of the Kashmir dispute lies in the implementation of the relevant UN resolutions. All party Hurriyat Conference leaders Abdul Ahad Para, Ghulam Muhammad Khan Supori, Bashir Ahmad Andrabi, Zamruda Habib, Yasmin Raja, Dr. Museb and Salim Zargar in their statements in Srinagar said that the sustainable peace in South Asia is linked to settlement of the Kashmir dispute according to the UN resolutions and Kashmiris' aspirations. India is systematically paving the way for colonialism in occupied Jammu and Kashmir by eliminating Kashmiris through massacres and killings in the garb of cordon and search operations, crackdowns, raids carried out in the territory on the daily basis. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said in order to advance the nefarious agenda of bringing a demographic change in the Kashmir Valley like it has done in Jammu in connivance with the Dogra forces in 1947, New Delhi, in gross violation of all the international laws and conventions, depriving Kashmiris of all their basic human rights. Kashmir Diaspora Coalition and its international affiliate organizations have sent a letter to all the heads of the states of G20 countries, clearly emphasizing that any G20 meeting in the disputed territory of Kashmir is meant to engineer a facade of normalcy and deceive the world into believing that the situation there is safe and secure. The letter says this controversial decision aims to divert global attention from the core issue of occupation of people's land without their consent. A Hindutva group thrashed and forced a Kashmiri youth to chant Hindutva slogans like Vande Mataram and Bharat Mata Ki Jai in India's capital city New Delhi. In a video that is viral on social media says he does not understand the meaning of these slogans due to language barriers and he refused to chant them. Hindutva group thrashed him and labelled him a Pakistani and a stone pelter. People's Democratic President Chief Mehbooba Mufti has said that the Muslim politician Atiq Ahmed and his brother's killing in Uttar Pradesh was a clear tactic to shift the attention from revelations made by the former governor Satyapal Malik about the Pulwama attack. Malik, in an interview to a news portal, had claimed that there were security lapses that led to the February 2019 Pulwama attack in which 40 CRPF Jawans were killed.